Every morning before I take a single trade, I run through the same process on the charts. It takes me about 10 minutes, and by the end of it, I know exactly what I'm looking for and why. Today, I'm going to show you the whole thing. Welcome back. This is the final video in series 3. We've covered the 90-day mindset, the weekly prep, copy trading, and a real trade walkthrough. Today is about what happens every single morning when I open the charts, because this is the daily process that sits underneath every trade I take. It comes down to 3 things: the 4-hour narrative, which I already have from my prep, but I confirm it's still intact every morning; the Asia range, what happened overnight and whether London has broken it; and the fair value gaps those session breaks leave behind, because that's often exactly where the trade comes from. I'm going to explain each one, then share my screen and show you what it looks like on a real chart. Right, here's the trade. I'm going to walk through it the same way I think about every setup. So the narrative first, then the setup, then the entry. And I want to show you where sessions came into it, because the timing of this one was a big part of why it worked. So I've drawn an orange box around where the trade took place. But in terms of my narrative, as I say, I jumped to the 4-hour, and what you can see here is you had a take on ERL, okay, and then that gave us a 4-hour fair value gap after, right? So my narrative on this was very much bullish in the flow of the market. That is literally how I do my narrative. Now, to give you an idea of what time I took my trade, it was in this candle here. It was about 9 a.m. UK time. But this is where sessions come into it. So this was the prior day high. And as you can see, we broke it. But not only did we break it, the candle that broke it gave a fair value gap on the 1 hour. Now, this is exactly what I'm looking for in terms of narrative. So this fair value gap meant something. And in series, in the video 1, I spoke about breaking of a session and giving a fair value gap, because it shows momentum, it shows intent, and it definitely shows direction. So we took the high of yesterday's candle, we pushed up, we created a fair value gap. So my expectation as we're sort of retracing into London is we're gonna make a move from here. So I had it mapped out, I had my alert set on right here, and I obviously jumped down to the 1 minute to get my entry. But because of my narrative, this is a candle to entry. This is an aggressive one, because this is your range. Okay, so this is your candle 1 where I've drawn these lines. Okay, so candle 1 is the range, candle 2 is a manipulation, candle 3 is a distribution. This completed it in candle 2, and as I've shown in the previous videos, it's okay to get in candle 2 if you have a strong bias. So when I talk about a strong bias, this is exactly what I'm talking about. The 4-hour flow was bullish. We broke yesterday's high, leaving a fair value gap. It shows a good fair value gap to trade from, good intent. So when we come back here, I can look for my entry on the 1 minute. So that's what we'll jump to now. If trading feels confusing or inconsistent, it might not be your efforts. It might just be a lack of clear direction. Let me introduce the Signaler.com, a signal service focused on delivering precise, well-structured trade ideas without all the unnecessary noise. With the Signaler, you get carefully prepared trade setups, exact entry points, take profit and stop loss levels, and straight to the point market insights that actually make sense. Every signal is built around discipline and proper risk control. There's no exaggeration and no overtrading, just calculated opportunities based on real analysis. And if you want to see the quality for yourself, They offer a 7-day free trial, so you can test the signals before making any commitment. Stay focused, follow structure, trade with a plan. Try thesignaler.com today. Now, let's get back to the video. So this is price returning to the fair value gap. Okay, and as you can see on the 1 minute, we're just coming down, we're making lower lows, pushing down, lower lows. And then what do we get here? This is what I speak about. So you get the CSD here. Okay, I'm going to give this a different color, going to bump it up to 2. So you can see the break. Now this is what I'm after, a CSD, but I'm also after a CSD with a fair value gap, because that V shape is exactly what I look for when it comes to my entries. So as you can see, you had a small fair value gap here, and you had another one sat just below it. So it could go from either. If you want to get better R&R, you shoot from down here, but I went from here because that is the trade that I look for. It's this one. I just need a CSD, so a change in shift in direction, a nice V shape, leaving behind a fair value gap. That is literally what I'm after. And then all I do is I put my entry on the candle that gave me a bullish candle from within my CSD line. I put my stop loss behind the swing low. And in terms of my take profit, I have 2 TPs. Now, your first TP is at the CRT high. Okay, that's your CRT pattern. That's a 2.7R. And as I've discussed in previous videos, on a 1% risk, that is 2.7% gained. Okay, but because, as I said about the narrative, the 4-hour flow is bullish, this 1 hour fair value gap is a strong area to trade from because we broke yesterday's high. So in terms of my narrative, I'm coming up here. I'm very confident. So one thing you can do is you can take partials. I'm not really into that. So all I do is I move stop loss to break even to basically cover myself if it wants to come back. And I put my profit right here at the next swing high. That is the flow of the market, and I bagged a 4.3R. So on a 1% risk, that's 4.3%. That was my trade. I loved it. I've shown you it, and you should see more in this series. But yeah, in terms of narrative, in terms of areas, in terms of session timing, in terms of clean entries, it had absolutely everything that I look for in a trade. But the session piece on that trade, that's the thing I want you to take away. That setup existed on the chart before the session opened, but it delivered because the right volume came in at the right time. You know, same structure in the wrong session window is a very different trade. That's why we check it every time. So everything you just saw, you know, the charts, the annotations, you know, the execution, that was all on PU Prime's WebTrader. And I want to show you a couple of things about that specifically. You know, the charting on WebTrader does everything I need for CRT. You know, it draws the ERL levels, it marks the IRL zones, and it annotates the 3-candle structure. You know, it's clean. It doesn't get in the way. And because it's browser based, I can pull it up anywhere without reinstalling anything. The session timing on that trade, you know, knowing the London Open was imminent, you know, that came from the calendar and market insights on the platform. You know, I didn't need a separate tool for that context. You know, it was already there when I was doing my Sunday prep. And if you want to practice running through setups like this before going live, the demo account on PU Prime mirrors live conditions exactly. You know, same charts, same spreads, same execution. The only difference is the money isn't real yet. That's a real trade on a real platform. You know, the link is in the description below. So that's the morning routine. You got the narrative, the session break, the fair value gaps, every morning in order. It's not complicated, but doing it consistently is what separates traders who have a process from traders who are just, you know, reacting to candles. So that wraps up series 3. We've gone from, why beginners quit, through the weekly prep, a full copy trading breakdown, a real trade walkthrough, and now the daily process. If you've worked through all 3 series, you've got the full picture. You've got the framework, you've got the preparation, and you've got the routine. If you're just finding this channel, start at series 1. It's all there. The PU Prime link is in the description, okay? So series 1, 2, and 3 are all on the channel. Thanks for watching. More to come, and I will see you in the next one.